Masaya po kami na naimbitahan dito sa Kerta Usada training. And dami po kami natutunan sa interventional pain management na nagawa namin hands-on. Walang masyadong restrictions. So, dahil doon, first hand ang aming experience. So, we're very thankful for that and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.